Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change email ID on Google Pay, right? So it's a very easy thing to do. So guys, it's very easy to do it. So first of all, you have to just go to your Google Pay here. So this is my Google Pay right now, and by the way, it's only available in the three countries as you can see here, in India, Singapore and United States, right? So you have to select your country. So let's say I will just select my country here, and it will show me this is just a random number, right? This is not an original number of mine, right? So here you have to just enter the phone number on whichever phone you're using it and just hit on continue. Once you hit on continue, it will ask you this is your email address, right? So by default it will take your one email address from your phone. If you have more than one, then you will get an option to choose any one of them, right? As you can, if you have only one email, then it will by default take any one email. So if I want to change my email, for example, I want to change my into this email, so I can change here. I have to just select it and I have to just click on accept and continue. Now here they have sent a OTP to my mobile number. I have to just enter it, right? And after that my email address will be changed in my Google Pay. So this is very easy thing to do. I hope you like this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.